So my humble prayer is that matter may be listed on Friday, my lord,
Friday for motion.
for motion.
You can move on Wednesday also.
My lord, on Monday, the my lord bid open.
You can move on Wednesday also. Today is what?
My
Why wait till Friday?
lord, senior counsel engaged, he will be out.
Why do you need to mention? It will again come automatically.
My lord, may not be come. That is it. May not be come. That
May not become. What is this kind of English? May not become.
may not come.
Where does the B comes from?
Sorry,
Okay, Friday.
public.
Yes.
Worship, I beg to make a mention for seeing of a matter of this. This is regarding non-payment of contractual dues taken up on Wednesday.
Matter of which year?
It's of 2019.
19. Okay, Friday next.
I will pray for withdrawal of this contractual bill matters. So may it come up on Wednesday.
Well.
For it.
Maybe. I do not 36, Lordship.
Yes.
Admission method. Lordship may take up India that day, Lordship. Engaged counsel Mr. PK Das. He has some difficult.
36.
Yes.
Nineteen matter.
India that day.
Next Monday.
All right.
On a prayer made on behalf of the petitioner. List on next on Monday next. They list they did. 16th. 16/9. Yes.
Lordship, I beg for adjournment of item 41 of today's list.
Yes.
So may come up on next Monday, 16 if possible. Lord.
Okay.
41.
Same order, huh? On behalf of the petition. No, you're for 41.
41.
Okay.
41.
16. Same. Okay.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. My lord, for item 51, my lord,
Hmm.
the petitioner, my lord, pray for not press this case, my lord.
3M Islam Learned Council for the petitioner submits that he has instructions not to press this petition. Also heard PWD, anyone? PWD Council? PWD? PP Nayak, PWD, Revenue, Mr. S. Datta, and Mokalial, huh? Dismissed as not pressed.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
A matter of 42, Lordship. Can it be upgraded, Lordship? My future concept. Small
40
issue, Lordship. That is
42 when?
today, it's possible, Lordship. Long.
Today, if it reaches, we'll take it up. Because of some difficulty, we could not say it in the first half. If it reaches, we'll take it up. 42 days, chances are less.
Constitutional day.
Less.
Then, Lordship, after tomorrow.
Wednesday. Okay. But inform Mr. Das.
Yeah,
Okay.
they want upgradation, Lordship.
Okay.
They were seeking upgradation if possible.
Okay. Wednesday. On a joint request made on behalf of the Learned Council for the parties, list on Wednesday, huh? Okay.
May please, Your Lordship. Lordship, to concern with the other side, I beg to mention item number 64, Lordship.
Yes.
We need to file reply, Lordship. 2 weeks time may be granted to us, Lordship.
64.
64, Lordship.
I'm appearing for the respondent number 2, my lord.
They have filed the affidavit,
Okay,
Lordship.
for the
Tomorrow morning we
IRCTC.
What
have
is your name?
D. Roy, Lordship.
On the prayer of 3D Royal Learned Council for the petitioners, list after 3 weeks to enable filing of rejoinder affidavit. Para 3 and annexing Learned Council for the IRCTC is
IRCTC,
present.
respondent number 2, Your Lordship.
Okay, 3 weeks. Is there an interim order?
No, Lord.
No,
Oh, my lord.
really also the PC, the local Learned Council from Delhi, they are in the PC. Saurabh Agarwal also appearing.
Doesn't matter. We make a request on the previous day.
Yes.
Obliged, Lord.
Okay.
Please, Your Lordship, and for item 39,
Yes.
kindly adjourn this matter for Q as senior is obligation.
Taken the consent.
Yes,
I'm
Okay. On a request made on behalf of the petitioners, list after 2 weeks?
yes.
Yes. 39, 2 weeks. Yes.
I'm for respondent number 3, 4, 5.
Same, huh? And annexing Learned Council for the respondent 3, 4, and 5 is present.
May I please, Lord? I beg to mention item number 45 and 47.
Yes.
For 46,
46 is
kindly the matter may be listed separately because these matters are separate matters.
46 is separate.
Yes, 46.
What is the subject matter in your cases?
Highway compensation.
Hmm?
Highway.
What are your cases?
For my case, my lord, regarding settlement of Parghat. I'm for a missing autonomous correspondent. We need some time to type. Deputy.
And your matter, madam, your matter?
I for highway compensation.
Oh, okay,
I've taken consent for that.
okay. On a prayer made on behalf of the missing autonomous council, matter is adjourned by 3 weeks
Good.
to enable filing of filing of affidavit in opposition. This will be in 45 and 47, okay? 46 you write? You are Arsaha.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Arsaha, learned counsel for the petitioners has informed that this matter is wrongly tagged along with 2 other matters, though the subject matter is different. Para, segregate this matter and list after a week.
Hello.
Yes,
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 52 of today's daily list.
yes.
I've taken the consent of the other side. Finally, the matter may be fixed after 22nd of September.
You're for whom?
For N. Sharma. Petition.
Petitioner is the applicant. Why have you filed a IA? IA for?
That part I don't know, Your Honor.
Okay. On a prayer made on behalf of the applicant petitioner, list after?
After 22nd of September.
List after 2 weeks. Okay. 52. ऊपर में लेकिन दोनों आए in और W दोनों. Yes.
Highly objected.
Wait, Lord. I beg to mention item number 63, Lordship.
63 yes.
Lordship. Matter may be passed off order.
On behalf of the petitioner.
Petitioner.
Consent of the other side.
Not taken government.
Hmm?
Government.
Not government.
Industrial.
Industries. Have you taken? Yes, Mr. Kolita. 63. Why do you need time?
Lordship.
Why do you need time?
Lordship, after 3,
Why do you need?
today is some personal difficulty.
Okay. On a request made on behalf of the petitioner, list after 2 weeks. Okay.
Item number 61 is for correction of a clerical error or in a judgment method. Lordship may take it up after motion method possible. Or,
We cannot say today we will be in
or
difficulty.
your Lordship may fix it on
Wednesday.
Wednesday,
Wednesday.
61.
61. Your name is not there, Mr. Burma?
Yes, my lord, but I have filed my item.
Okay. Sri B. Burwa.
Yes.
Learned counsel for the applicant. No, on a request made on behalf of the made by Sri B. Burwa, learned counsel for the applicant. List on Wednesday. Date, huh? Okay.
That is, okay.
Yes.
Recommend for listing of the petition.
Motion
For admission,
of which year?
20,
23. Subject matter.
fair price, it's matter related to fair price.
What is the urgency?
Sir, as per the last order, it was mentioned that affidavit to be filed by the
So
opposite.
what is the urgency? This is an out of turn listing by mentioning.
As per the last order, it was mentioned that this chapter 216 now.
That is not an urgency. What is the urgency of the
Sir,
subject
petition
matter?
was on financial urgency.
Sorry, next.
I'm still Lordship. Item 63, Lordship. Interim is there, Lord. Interim may be continued.
63. Interim order, passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. Yes.
Item was for withdrawal.
Lordship, matter has become effect.
Okay. Sri D. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the matter has become infructuous. Also heard, A. Borpujari,
But-
also heard Sri G. Bokulial, learned state counsel, as well as Sri A. Borpujari, learned counsel for respondables 2 and 3. Sarah, petition is dismissed as infructuous.
Lordship, I apologize. Kindly allow the interim order, item number 39.
Madam, why do you
I
make in
will
the No piecemeal basis, 39 interim order to continue till the next day. एक बार check कर लीजिए, हाँ? Yes.
Yeah, but
Item 2. Amended cost title not filed. None appears for the petitioner. Whereas Ms. J. Gogoi, learned counsel, is present for the Water Resource Department, para. As per office note dated 31/8/2024, amended cost title as directed by this court in its order dated 28/6/2023 is yet to be filed, para. In the interest of justice, a further opportunity of a week is granted. Full stop, list after a week.
Item 3.
May I please, Your Lordship. Lordship, here willful and deliberate violation of order dated 20/12/2023, passed in WPC number 77 of 2023 and operative part at page 11, Your Lord. Paragraph number 6, Your Lordship. In this order, Your Lordship, Honorable Court directed the entire exercise shall be completed within 6 months, Your Lordship. And we have duly.
SI Akand, huh? Order dated 20/12/2023, WPC 7379 of 2023. Yeah, same, huh? Application dated 17/1/2024. Issue notice, huh? Returnable 6 weeks. Registered post 2 days.
I'm sorry.
Contempt का जो standard.
Item 4 to 9.
Here, Lordship, they are supposed to. My item is 6, Your Lordship. In my case, Your Lordship, what has happened here, Your Lordship? The tender notice was issued, Your Lordship. And pursuant to that tender,
Response filed or not?
response.
Not yet filed, Your Lordship. Some more time may be granted.
The only thing, Your Lordship, problem is, Your Lordship will kindly see. I have been issued settlement order, Your Lordship, and thereafter they have kept it in abeyance. And Your Lordship, if Your
No,
Lordship
there's an
comes
interim order.
in, yes,
Interim in whose case?
interim is, Your Lordship, not to extend the to the earlier lessees, Your Lordship.
You are whom? You are the new
I am
lessee.
the new, Your Lordship.
New
incumbent,
settlement
Your Lord-
holder.
Yes.
No. Not the settlement.
No, I am settlement holder. I have annexed the order, Your Lordship.
Okay, you file your affidavit. You were granted time earlier.
Page
Last
24.
opportunity.
You know, they have 3 weeks time maybe.
No, not 3 weeks. 3 weeks is to, when was notice issued? It was issued in July.
Hmm.
Or even before that.
Notice has not been issued yet, Your Lord.
Notice is yet to be
Not-
issued.
Not.
What
They are supposed to bring some instruction. And in fact, Your Lordship, statutory rules covers everything, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship,
Okay, we'll issue a short notice. In all the matters, notice is not issued.
No, Your Lord.
We'll make a returnable date. Let him file the affidavit.
Lord.
Item 65 and 66 same notice is
Okay.
similar.
We will take your matters. Okay.
Yes.
Heard. Sab dekh lijiye, huh? Please give the names and the item numbers.
Lord.
The matter pertains to a notification dated 29/6/2024,
Lordship.
whereby the ongoing process of settlement of various huts / ghats / fisheries / pounds, etc. for the year 2024-25 has been cancelled. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that in a duly conducted settlement process, the petitioner was selected to be the allotee.
Lord.
Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued. Now, in all the cases, earlier orders were passed.
No. In some cases, comparative
thought has been forwarded to the Jila court.
No, no, no. I'm not on that.
No,
No,
no.
no, that
No,
we
no.
know.
Actually-
Was any orders passed, like in the first case, there are two, Mr. Ali's case, two orders have been passed, 26/7 as well as other cases also some orders passed directing for instructions.
Yes, yes. All interim orders
Oh,
are there.
Okay. This case was taken up on an earlier occasion when this court had passed an interim order. Full stop. It is submitted by the learned counsel that though the interim order has been passed, it is not benefiting the petitioner as they are deprived from the period, deprived of the benefits of the settlement. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable on. Let notice be issued.
Before vacation.
Since the matter was considered, was considered on an earlier occasion wherein instructions were directed to be taken, the returnable date is fixed on today's 9th, 1, 2, on 30th, 30. 1, 2, 3 weeks.
Yes.
30th. Sri K. Kaur, learned. You appear as the AG or what?
Additional AG, Your Honor,
And the AAG
for all official respondents.
accepts notice on behalf of all the official respondents. Let extra copies be served, huh? Let steps be taken for service of respondent upon the service of notice upon the respondent to submit देख लीजिएगा by registered posted date. Para interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. And in 65 and 66, you right? List along with list on the 30th of September 2024, by which time affidavit in opposition may be filed. Para? Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
In my case, private respondent appeared,
Who is appearing?
my learned friend.
Okay. In which one? 3613.
Item 4.
3613.
Plus.
3613 में Sri M.U. Mahmood, the learned counsel, has already entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number 4.
I was allotted. And
Footstep. He may also file the affidavit within the said time.
Obliged.
You file IA for vacating, will they consider?
obliged.
Yes, Dr. Sir.
The electricity bill was raised and the buffer number of litigations below, an appeal was filed against the said bill below.
126. Okay.
Now, in the appeal to held below that this was a case of theft of electricity, but the procedure to be followed for the preparation of the bill in respect of theft of electricity, that was not followed on the ground that by following that procedure, negative result is coming. Now, we filed a writ petition before this honorable court that the formula which is prescribed for the theft of electricity has to be followed. The learned single judge, first of all, by giving the judgment, held that no, the other formula can also be applied. But a review petition was filed, and in the review petition, the court came to conclusion. You'll also find at page 292
Okay.
that no, the procedure as prescribed for the theft of electricity has to be followed. Now that was 5A44.
5?
A44.
5844.
5A44.
Yes.
Capital A44.
Yes.
Now the 5A44, you'll also find the clause that it reads that 5A44 as per the table appendix to 6114. In the rules it is mentioned. Now there is also the explanation added to these rules that how the bill is to be prepared. Now that bill was not prepared following the that procedure, and where they were saying the negative result, after following this 5A44, they have raised more bill than whatever was in earlier. Right? Only the matter came up for the another bench also, kindly. at page 9 below.
Yes.
Para 13. Now coming to the other leg of argument, 9 below, page 9. Of so and so, Learned Counsel of the petitioner, it is seen that clause 96211 deals with the competition of the load security in the prescribed table under such provision for SD2 so and so. Certain formulas have been produced, provided in Annexure A to the Regulation 2004 as regards implementation of the provision supply code. There is also a provision under clause D of Annexure A for assessment of the consumption of load over 12 months recorded in the meter and the loss therefore. Therefore, in the aforesaid backlog, the prescription under the Regulation 2004, it is the bounden duty of the responding authority to apply the prescription made in the said Regulation of 2004 when applicable. Now, my only submission before Lordship in this case is that they have not followed this Honorable Court held that 5A44 procedure should be followed. Now, 5A44 has to be read with the prescription which is given in the annexure. That is how it is to be calculated.
Yes, Mr. Pathak.
There is a fundamental problem with this petition, how it is been structured. I'll just give you a lot of background of what is. So earlier there was an inspection. Pursuant to the inspection, it was found that the petitioner indulged in theft of electricity. So provisional assessment was done. A final assessment was done under 126. Against that, the petitioner had gone in appeal under section 127. Against the appellate order of the appellate authority, he filed a writ petition. That writ petition was initially decided by holding that yes, the formula that we had used could be used, but we had applied it incorrectly. In review, the Honorable Court held that no, the formula was incorrectly used. Instead, we should use that form. So the final assessment and the order of the appellate authority was set aside. Following the order of review, Your Lordship, because the order was passed on 30/11/2023, we issued a modified bill on 20/12/2023. So this modified bill, Your Lordship, in effect is a final assessment under section 126. Now, the remedy against that firstly, Your Lordship, is under section 127, because there is a remedy under section 127 and before the appellate authority. This Honorable Court has already held, Your Lordship, that in these kind of matters against a final assessment under 126, a writ petition would not perhaps be maintainable since there is a statutory appellate authority provided. Besides that, Your Lordship, what has happened in this case is the petitioner has not challenged that bill because he did not. Your Lordship will kindly have a look at the letter at page number 295 of the petition, Your Lordship.
295.
295, Your Lordship.
Yes.
This is from APTCL to the petitioner. Dear Sir, Madam, with reference to the letter received from your end dated 27/2/2024, this is to state that the assessment bill was re-prepared and served on dated 21/12/2023. As per Honorable High Court's order dated 30/11/2023. Apparently, as per Honorable High Court's order dated 30/11/2023, the assessment bill has been re-prepared by the area manager IRCA 1 following clause 5.A.4.4 of the ARC Supply Code 2005 after adjusting the already paid amount of rupees 60 lakhs. As such, the bill is found correct, having no scope for further adjustment. Your plea is therefore rejected. They had asked for an adjustment. Then Your Lordship may kindly have a look at page number 303, Your Lordship. So this bill of 21/12/2023 is an assessment under section 126. Then Your Lordship may have a look at page number 303. They had submitted a representation. This is the response after that. Dear Sir, Madam, this is again from APTCL to the petitioner.
Yes.
With due respect, this is to inform you that your electricity service connection in the name of Messrs. So and so has a pending assessment amount of rupees 1,42,26,400 dated 21/12/2023, served from the office of the undersigned, and due date of the same bill, that is 28/12/2023, has already crossed. Due to this reason, an additional surcharge against the bill is raised amounting to rupees 10,66,980 as per clause 6.3.10 F of the ARC Supply Code. This letter from the office of the CGM so and so dated 24/4/2024, clearly requesting you to pay the due amount without any further delay, but no information on payment has been received at this end. You are therefore once again requested again to make the payment of rupees 1,52,90,380, which includes the surcharge amount, against the bill enclosed herein within 15 days from the date of issue of this letter, failing which the power supply will be discontinued within further notice. This was issued on 24th of May. Then your lordship may have a look at the next page at 304. That is a bill of 24/5/2024, which includes the amount in the earlier bill dated 21/12/2023, which is an
Page.
that bill has not been enclosed, your lord.
Okay.
I have a copy.
No, after this intimation of the charge
Yes, your lord.
of 10 lakhs odd,
Yes, your lord.
and whereby the total amount has been demanded,
Yes, your lord.
what had happened thereafter?
There we have not yet disconnected.
Okay. No, just what was the
This
development
is
you
the original bill,
okay.
which perhaps ought to have been SL if at all,
Hmm.
because this is only regarding the surcharge. This is the assessment under 126 carried out pursuant to the honorable court's order. Which
That is not under challenge.
That is not under challenge. Lordship may have a look at the prayers, your lordship, at page number 32. Anyways, because this is an assessment under 126, your lordship.
Page?
Page 32.
Yes, please.
What they have challenged is the letter dated 24/4/2024, which I just read out, your lordship. Then they have challenged the letter dated 24/5/2024, the second letter, and the bill dated 24/5/2024.
No, it is under challenge.
Lordship, the petition which was served on me is not there, your lordship.
No. Page 32,
32.
24/4 has been challenged.
Yes, your lordship.
That is the adjustment letter.
That is the first letter.
1 crore 42 lakhs, or
Yes,
1
Lord.
crore 42 lakhs or something.
Lordship.
Then the surcharge of 10 lakh 66,000 or something.
Lordship.
So that is the subject matter of challenge.
No, that is not the bill, your lord. That is only regarding the surcharge.
No, first bill. 1 crore 42.
1 crore 42, the bill date is 21/12/2023.
No,
your lord.
24/4.
No, your lord.
That is the after the adjustment. Page 295.
Page 295, your lordship,
Yes.
is a letter to them
Yes.
informing them that kindly pay.
Yeah, that is the demand.
That is the demand. But the bill is 21/12/2023. And the letter is there, your lordship. The letter was also, demand is also 21/12/2023.
No, 21/12 is not the final. See the after the order passed by this court
Yes, your lordship.
at 295. Let us read 295
Yes,
again.
your lord.
Please read.
Yes, this is, I'll read from the subject, your lordship.
Yes.
Reply to your letter dated 27/2/2024. So this is subsequent to the bill of 21/12/2023. So this is in response to the letter. With reference to the letter received from your end dated 27/2/2024, this is to state that the assessment bill was re-prepared and served dated 21/12/2023 as per Honorable High Court's order dated 30/11/2023. Apparently, as per Honorable High Court's order dated 30/11.
No, this is not the bill.
This is not the bill, your lord. The bill is 2012/2020.
2012.
2020. 21/12/2020. It is the document which I've just handed over, passed your lordship. And even otherwise, your lordship, my second submission is that this is a assessment under section 126, a finalist. As per the law laid down by the division bench of this honorable court, the remedy is a statutory appeal under section 127.
No, that round is already over. So
But if your lordship has a look at the order, the appellate order, authority's order was sent as.
that may not be strictly applied here because it has gone after a court's order. But the first submission, yes, Mr. Dr. Saraf, the
Hello.
first submission.
Below the second bill which was prepared by the surcharge, the original bill had merged with the second bill.
Now, where is the bill? This is the
Below
One-
the
292
second bill, my lord,
page.
well, I will just submit it. First bill which was raised for 1,42,000, 1 crore 42 lakh.
Yes.
Now, when the second bill was raised, the 1 crore 42 lakh was included and 10 lakh surcharge was there. Now that 1 crore 42 lakh has got merged with the second bill. My lord, if this bill is not challenged, the 10 crores, the 10 lakh surcharge will remain. Ultimately, what is there, my lord? ultimately 1 crore 42 lakh passed over there. That has been included, merged in the second bill, and the surcharge has been given. Milord, the question is that the 1 crore 42 lakh plus 10 lakh now, the demand is of 10. Now, if I don't challenge the second one, main bill is the now, earlier bill doesn't remain. The new bill will come into existence because when the surcharge is added and the bill is there, because the last letter you will also find, he said pay the bill as per 1 crore 52 lakhs. You will also see the last letter after representation.
303,
303, my lord.
yes.
You'll also find that they say that you pay 1 crore 52 lakhs because the new bill has been raised. And what my prayer is that, my lord, you'll also kindly see, my lord. My prayer is that the High Court directed you to apply the formula. Kindly apply the formula and prepare the bill. That is the only, my lord, that you cannot, my lord, the question is that, my lord, where the formula which is prescribed there, they have to prepare the bills accordingly. Now, the High Court said, my lord, the 5A 44 has to be applied, and there is a prescription. And this honorable court has already held that
No, that is the dispute you are trying to raise, that as per order of the High Court,
my lord,
the application has not been done properly.
my lord, that is the only.
No,
issue.
that we may perhaps consider, but your connection is still there, and the amount of bill is substantially high. What do you propose now?
No, my lord, question is that they themselves said that if the formula is applied, it will come to nil. 60 lakhs, my lord, I paid when the appeal was admitted. My lord, I paid the amount. Now, the question of going in the appeal is not there. I am saying that the High Court's order.
No, that part we are not too much
Now, I
interested.
only said, my lord,
We may not relegate you to an
No,
appeal
my
because
question is-
it has gone after the High Court's order.
well, my question was,
Yes.
after the judgment of the honorable court, I submitted a petition also before them that your bill is not correct. Kindly prepare it with the formula which has been given by the act itself. And if after that the bill amount comes, there may be demand. If after applying the formula there is no demand, they cannot say that we will not prepare the bill as per the direction of the court and raise the bill. And thereafter, again, the same thing will come to the zero. You yourself said that if you apply the formula, the result will be negative. And instead of that, and after coming to the High Court's order, they have increased the bill by whatever was there as per the earlier formula. It has come to more, penalizing me that yes, you High Court's order is there, now you see, this is the bill.
No, Dr. Saraf, we are not going very technical, that since an appellate provision is just in the matter of this nature, we will relegate you. But at the same time, there is an application of certain formula, which you are disputing that this is not applicable or this has not been done in the manner prescribed.
No, I'm not disputing, I'm saying that as per the High Court order itself, they have not followed it.
No, to come to that adjudication process, that whatever was directed by this court has not been applied while reassessing, making the reassessment.
My lord.
Now, those matters, will we have the expertise to look into?
No, you'll also see the court has said that you apply the formula, you'll just see the judgment.
Okay, you apply, you take the instructions, how you have applied the formula,
You'll
but
also
we'll
see-
not go beyond that.
You'll also see the
We'll
judgment.
only see whether formula has been applied, how it has been applied, those are matters beyond of your domain. We may not,
You'll also kindly see, para 15, if you
Yes.
also take the double bill.
we'll issue a short notice. Heard Dr. A.K. Saraf, learned senior counsel for the petition, assisted by, what is your name?
PK Bora.
DK?
PK Bora.
BK Bora, for the petitioner. Full stop. The matter relates to assessment of electricity bill. Full stop. It appears that there has been earlier round of litigation, including a review petition being review petition number 15 of 2023 in WPC 5892 of 2017, in which an order dated 30/11/2023 was passed. Full stop. The petitioner's contention is that without following the direction of this court for applying the formula,
Along
For-
with the, the prescription.
applying the formula as per the prescribed norms, the same has been done in an erroneous manner, whereby a demand has been made, which the petitioner has termed to be highly unreasonable,
It will come to nil, my lord.
unreasonable, and arbitrary, full stop. It is contended that that if a proper application of the formula is made, comma, there will be no liability
No, like,
on behalf of the petitioner. Full stop, para. 3. KP Pathak, the learned standing counsel, APDCL, has however submitted that the writ petition has not put to challenge the original bill and therefore would not be maintainable. Full stop. He has also raised the aspect of the availability of a provision for preferring an appeal under section 127 of the Electricity Act 2003. Full stop, para. Let notice be issued, returnable on, today is 9th. We'll have it on 23rd.
Right.
23rd of September. Sri Pathak, the learned standing counsel,
I'm appearing for respondent numbers 1, 4, and 5.
APDCL accept notice on behalf of respondent 1.
4 and 5.
Why not 3?
3 is a statutory authority, it's independent from us. We have nothing to,
Appellate authority, okay. It has got government,
maybe.
okay. Can you take notice of the appellate authority?
so appellate authority, I think it will be formal part because we are not challenging the appellate authority.
Mr. Okay. 1, 3. 1,
I'm
3,
for 1,
4,
4,
and 5.
I'm for 1, 4, and 5, perhaps 2
What-
and 3, your lord.
3 also? Acha. 1, 4, and 5. KP Pathak. 3 M. Chetia. Learned State Council for respondables 2 and 3. Extra copies within 2 days. You're not contemplating to disconnect, are you?
Your lordship, this order, letter was issued in May, your lordship, we have not done anything till.
Okay. Till the next date fixed, comma, no coercive action, including action for disconnection be taken, full stop. This order, however, would be reconsidered after, reconsidered on the returnable date.
Lordship, we kindly observe that coercive action in respect of this amount.
Yes,
because it's still
This amount.
I'm
Because
not, I'm not.
otherwise-
No coercive action in respect of the subject matter in question.
Our name may be reflected, my lord. And
Uh-huh.
copy will be-
Okay. M. Chetia's name, huh? State Council. Okay. You come with the instruction how we have applied the, okay. Beyond that, perhaps we'll not have the expertise to
There is.
enter.
Only, my lord, I pray that your formula may be applied, nothing else. I'm highly obliged.
Obliged. Eleven. Yes, what is this?
May please, your lord. So we have assailed the annexure 17 at page 71, my lord.
17.
Page 17, annexure 17 at page 71, my lord. My lord, the petitioner was awarded a transportation contract by FCI. And in the process of contract, my lord, liquidated damage has been imposed upon the petitioner.
Just a minute, please. Page 91,
Page 71, my lord.
71.
So again,
You were allotted a contract for supply,
for transportation
transportation.
from this Tangshari to Shillong FSD, my lord.
From?
From Tangshari to Shillong FSD. 2 storage depot.
Yes.
Now, when the transportation started, my lord, the Shillong High Court passed an order in a PIL putting a load restriction on Umiam Bridge at Borapani that more than 10 ton load truck will pass
10 ton,
10 ton. 10 empty, my lord.
10 metric ton.
Empty, counting.
Yes.
So that necessitated, my lord, a very remote route to be taken from, my lord, the distance was enhanced from 120 kilometer to 195 kilometer.
120.
120 kilometer of the actual distance, but the new route took 195 kilometer.
Yes.
So, my lord, the contract has been completed. Now, this extra distance, regarding this extra distance, already the petition is pending. Now, during the course of time, my lord, in that adverse situation, my lord, the FCO was giving us indent for trucks unreasonably. So petitioner could not meet all the requirements, but petitioner has transported much more than the indented that what has been given in the value of contract, my lord, the requirement that has been completed in that adverse situation. But finally,
Yes.
liquidated damage has been given, imposed upon the petitioner to the extent of 23,61,100. So this was taken to grievance redressal committee and in-house arrangement, my lord.
What is the name of the committee?
Grievance redressal committee under the
Grievance?
contract, my lord. First, we
Yes.
have to approach there.
Yes.
But grievance redressal committee has rejected, and finally, executive director has passed the
Rejection?
rejection. That same impugn order, my lord, it is mentioned.
No, grievance redressal committee
All
rejection.
that report has been mentioned. Date has not been given, my lord.
Report
Page
dated?
71 is mentioned, my lord.
Yes. Date?
On the basis of GRC report, my lord, this impugn order has been passed at page 71.
GFC date is not there.
Report date,
24, last week.
huh? Is it?
3120.
No, that is
Okay, the grievance redressal committee rejected the representation.
on the basis
Thereafter,
of that, executive director has passed this order, my lord, on 3/1/2024.
3/1/2024.
3rd of January 2024.
Why are you so late?
Some delay, my lord.
That is your case.
That is
Okay. That there were circumstances beyond your control which necessitated that, but you said that you have met the requirement of the indent.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The value of contract I met, my lord, much more than that. But the
Mr. Singh,
We'll take instruction, my lord, what is that is.
heard Sri B. Chakraborty, learned counsel for the petitioner, who by means of this petition has put to challenge an order dated 3/1/2024, whereby liquidated damage of rupees 26 lakhs approximately.
no, by this order, this damage was already deducted. By my claim for refund has been rejected by this order.
Okay, by which they claim for refund of an amount of rupees 26 lakhs approximately on account of, which was deducted on account of liquidated damage, has been rejected. Full stop. It is submitted that due to certain orders passed by the Honorable Meghalaya High Court in a PIL putting restrictions on load of vehicle to ply over the Barapani Bridge
At
comma,
Umiam Bridge at Barapani.
of the Umiam
Bridge at
Umiam Bridge at Barapani, comma, the route had to be changed, resulting in increase of an additional 70 kilometers.
Yes, my lord.
120, 190, you said?
65.
Uh,
75, my lord.
Around 70, more than 70 kilometers. Full stop. It is also submitted that nonetheless, the petitioner could fulfill his obligation under the contract, and therefore there was no occasion at all to levy liquidated damage. Para, let notice be issued. Returnable on Mr. Singh, returnable by 4 weeks. Sri B.K. Singh, Learned Standing Council, FCI, accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. Extra copies 2 days.
Okay.
Thank you.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, petitioners are scheduled tribe forest dwellers, lordship, belonging to Chakma community, residing in the Borlangpur District Council Reserve Forest.
Perhaps it's a bench 5 minute, I've just been informed.
But lordship, here, lordship,
Lane court.
Okay. This court has been informed that this matter pertains to civil bench 5. Para, registry to verify at least before the appropriate bench.
Alright.
May please your lordship. Lordship, this matter relates to non-payment of bill, your lordship. The petitioner,
Notice that it.
No, of which department?
Police, my lord.
Your vehicle was taken on hire.
hire your lordship.
Okay. Heard. Miss M. B. Barua, learned counsel for the petitioner, who is aggrieved by non-payment of contractual bills for hiring of her vehicle dash Maruti van bearing registration number.
One,
What is the number?
lordship, page 5, para 3.
AS 14 E 1350, silo, page 5. AS 14 E 1350. Tara, let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. All the respondents,
Yes, ma'am.
transport department is there. No,
Lordship,
no.
date may be fixed, your lordship.
not transport, motor transport officer.
Metro transport.
Okay. Chetia for State Council for all the respondents, extra copies. Okay. 2 days.
Must apply.
Item 14.
It is
Yes.
about the non-payment of contractual dues. Like there are various tender orders and work orders which were issued, your lordship, different values. The only issue here, your lordship, that I find as a petitioner's counsel here is that the completion certificate has been given in place of the admission certificate as laid down in Samsara. The fact of the matter,
Work of which year?
your lordship, 2020 onwards. So our-
Okay.
our representation.
Madam, may issue notice here. Okay. Heard Sri M. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioners
Yes.
who are aggrieved by non-payment of contractual dues. Separate orders, huh? Let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Ms. M. Kolita, learned standing council, PHE, accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents.
Sir.
Extra copies, 2 days.
Except respondent number 3.
Three,
Finance.
who's three? For 1, 2, 3 to eligible. Finance is there, who's there? Finance department?
Finance. Finance, my lord.
Yes, the court.
Finance, anybody? Who's there in the court, madam? Mr. Borpujari, Mr. Nayak? Whoever is there. Borpujari. Yes. Sabot Sailaba. All similarly structured.
Yes, sir.
All the petitions have been similarly structured.
Similarly structured, different values, your lordship.
No, values are
Yes,
not,
yes.
so far as finance is concerned, respond number 3 in all
Respond
those.
number, yes, your
Ah,
lordship.
okay. Arbiter. Let's talk of 2 days. Yes, separate orders, huh? Up to 19,
And 21 and 22 also, your lordship.
20,
1 and 22 also.
21 and 22.
Item 20.
Okay.
Applied.
Okay, what is it?
May I please your lordship. Lordship, here in this matter, Assam State Transport Corporation invited a notice of 1/2/2024 from individual or any registered firm for leasing out a business at ISPT Assam State Transport Corporation to us, measuring an
Yes,
area.
the site has not been handed over to
Yes,
you.
lordship.
It is not a fact, Lordship. The site has already been handed over to the petitioner. But the thing is that some enclosures were there, although we have approached the Deputy Commissioner Jorhat for the same
Hmm.
on 12/8/24. This is the later, Lordship. About this development,
Yes,
petitioner is
sir.
also well aware.
Kindly come to, I have annexed lordship.
Yes, Lordship. That
Annex
letter
are
has been annexed.
Page,
Page number 33.
Since the illegal enclosures are there, Lordship, we have approached the district administration for clearing of the
yes,
same.
yes, district administration. Take instructions. This was done 12/8, almost. Huh? Serve a copy on Mr. Chetty, okay? We'll have it for motion. You take instructions. Or you may do one thing. We'll issue a short notice. Let him have instruct the deputy district commissioner to take action. Okay. Third, Miss R. Kakoti, learned counsel for the petitioner, who is aggrieved by the inaction of the respondent authorities to hand over the area in the ISBT Jorhat for execution of a contract for running a commercial, for running what business? For running a business which was done by a tender process. Full stop. It is submitted that the area is under encroachment and no steps have been taken. Para? Sri R.M. Das? Here for Transport Department.
226.
Transport Department, ASTC.
Yes.
Understanding Council.
Yes.
ASTC has however informed this court that as regards the issue of encroachment, the matter has already been referred to the District Commissioner, Jorhat, wide
Well-
communication dated 12/8/2024. Para, let notice be issued, returnable on 27th of September. Sri
I press number 1.
MD Bora, Miss MD Bora, Standing Council Transport 1. RM Das, Standing Council ASTC for 226. 226. M Chitia, London State Council for respondent of 7. Extra copies. 2 days. GA Assam may be reflected in the cause list. Para, on the next date, Sri Chetia, the London State Council, will obtain instructions regarding the steps taken for removal of the encroachment. Yes.
Your Lordship, this is an petition for demolition of unauthorized construction by Mr. Jarul Islam. The complaint was first filed in 2013, and after much reminder, only notices were issued and no concrete action was taken. Even it was sent to the CMO office also. So this is,
Yes, who's GMC?
Your Lordship,
Okay. Heard. Sri yours, Sanjay Sharma.
Sanjay Sharma.
Heard Sri Sanjay Sharma, petitioner in person, who is aggrieved by the inaction of the GMC authorities to demolish and remove unauthorized construction of the respondent number,
Sri Jarul Islam.
respondent number 3.
Jarul Islam.
Let when you present the petition, you don't put the list of dates as a part of the pleadings.
Pardon?
When you present the petition in the court, don't put the list of dates as a part of the pleadings. And it has come as a part of the pleadings. List of dates should come before the pleading starts. You come to page 2. We do not know how your madam's copy has been presented. What is page 2?
Lordship, page 2.
Huh?
List of dates.
List of dates will not come as a part of the pleadings. List of dates will come before the pleading starts.
Sorry.
We thought it was a mistake, but it was, you have also paginated. You have done intentionally. That is not the way. Okay, take care. Your name, madam?
H. Barua,
Sri H. Miss H. Barua, Leonard. You're for whom?
Mr. P. Naik.
Learned Counsel appearing on instruction of 3P Nayak accept notice on behalf of respondents 1 and 2. Extra copies 2 days. R3 registered post AD within 2 days.
Your Lordship. Please give me the specific date, Your Lordship.
Okay. We give a date. We'll have it on 30th, 30.
30.
Yes, 30th September. But take steps immediately.
Okay.
Otherwise, there is a private respondent. He needs to come.
And regarding non-payment contextual paid, they completed in the year 2014. Thereafter, some bid was missing. Their FIR was lost. Thereafter, correspondence are going on. Lastly, on 25/7, they've given the correspondence and reply has also been given. And it is 48 lakh. 48 lakh. 47.
Heard
But-
3A Ahmed Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Yes, CGC. Who's there? CGC, any CGC? Mr. Adhikari. Learned Counsel for the petitioners who are aggrieved by non-payment of contractual bills. Full stop. It is submitted that though the work is of the year 2014, comma, due to the fact that certain documents were missing, for which an FIR was also lodged, comma, the matter could not be finalized, full stop. The Learned Counsel has also drawn the attention of this court to a letter dated 25/2024 by the ONGC, whereby they were directed to furnish more documents. Para, let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Three
All documents are submitted.
Union, Sri MR Adhikari, CGC 1. What about 4?
2, 3, 4. ONGC notice.
4 is also ONGC.
ONGC.
2, 3, 4 is that posted daily steps within 2 days. Okay. 4, I think description is not proper. Just,
16.
you have not said anything.
ONGC, sorry man.
Description is not proper. Okay, let the ONGC counsel come. He may accept. Okay, next.
And registered.
Registered post on 2, 3, and 4. 1.
Made this is an infringement petition application filed by the present applicant's wallet to the Tewari Power Eco Development Company.
We implead him.
Are you allowed to object?
Object for impleadment. Why?
Earlier.
Well, he has vehemently opposed.
Earlier,
Then
my lord, they come report honorable court for implement.
The second application we have filed.
Rejected. Okay.
Because they are not the.
Okay. He'll have a right to object. I heard 3M are Adhikari Learned Counsel for the applicant who by means of this application has prayed for impleadment. Para. 3N Bora Learned Counsel for the opposite party, writ petitioner, however, submits that he would file an objection. Puts the para. List after 3 weeks. 2 weeks to enable filing of objection.
Date will be fixed. Man.
List on 25th.
Madam.
এখন কি আছিলে এখানে এই যে প্রথম কেসটো আছিলে এসিবিৰ
Kindly pass what a matter for a timely.
Timing difficult. 2016 matter. What is the matter about? Musari. Last occasion, Musari is not there. Today. Okay, Wednesday. Mr. Sharma has come. Mr. Sharma. In the last occasion, we just submitted that one of the council, Musahari, was entrusted with the matter. We'll have it on Wednesday. Kindly inform him. Okay. Any BTC council in the court? BTC council, 16 matter. We don't want to adjourn matters like this.
My point is very simple, my lord. I was
We will decide in his presence. If he's not there on the next occasion, we'll hear. Mr. Goy, please inform Mr. Musari, R.K. Musari. Okay. Mr. Manan for whom? 11. Though Sri K. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as Sri Y.S. Manan, learned counsel for the respondent number 11 are present, respondent number 11 are present, comma. The standing counsel BTC is not available when the matter is called upon. Full stop para. In the interest of justice, list on Wednesday. Date.
Item 27.
Yes, Kisle Foods. Kisle Foods, you are in news, why? You have been taken over, somebody will munch your biscuits.
Lordship, most
Who will?
likely,
Huh?
most likely.
It came out in national news.
Yeah.
Who will munch your biscuits?
That I'm not aware,
You
Lordship.
do not know.
No.
Brief
Talks
you
are
are
going on,
holding.
that has not concluded yet, Lordship.
Who will munch?
Lordship, I'm not aware about that.
You're not aware. You are in news, national news, not local news. Okay, what has happened to you?
Lordship, this writ petition is basically a preferred challenging the award passed by the Labour Court. Award
Okay.
dated,
Okay,
Ten
yes,
by-
yes, madam.
May please your lordship.
Records have come.
LCR is there, as per
We'll have this for hearing. Tuesday next.
Lordship.
You are whom? Workman? Oh, you're the management.
Yes, I'm forgetting.
I'm for respondent number 3.
Workman.
Workman.
What is the award about?
Award is that he should be reinstated with 50% back wage.
Okay, 17B is applying.
Yes.
17B was applying, but then in the meanwhile, he attained his age of superannuation.
Okay.
So regarding that, contempt was also filed, Lordship. We have already paid in surplus.
Okay,
So those-
okay.
That was dismissed, Lordship.
Okay. This writ petition. Why did it come for admission? Challenging award.
Lordship, even I am newly engaged in this.
Notice और की दी बोले गए थे award challenge को मुझे ना पा. An award dated 10/5/2016 passed by the learned Labour Court in reference case number 2 of 15 and 1 of 15 to agot dekhiba, is the subject matter of challenge. Full stop. Well, we'll listen again. Though notice has been issued on 17/2/2017, pursuant to an order dated 9/2/2018, whereby the records were called for, the same has been transmitted. Full stop para. Considering that the matter is of the year 2017, list for admission hearing on 17th September.
Deeply.
Will 17th will go take up for final disposal.
Lord.
Yes.
Item 28.
I'm appearing on behalf of Dimar.
28. None appears for the petitioners on call. Whereas Sri Sharma, learned standing counsel, NCHAC is present. Full stop. Even on the last occasion, that is 11/3/2020, none had appeared for the petitioners. What is the matter about?
The petitioner's land were
Okay. Apera,
destroyed.
in the interest of justice, a final opportunity is granted, directing the matter to be listed on Wednesday. Okay. It is however made clear that in case of further non-representation, this court would be constrained to pass appropriate orders.
Okay.
Yes. 29. None appears for the petitioner on call, whereas Sri K. Gogoi Learned State Council is present, para. Even on the last occasion, that is 21-1, so and so, huh? Okay. Wednesday. Same order. One more chance. Yes, Mr. Ali.
It's a devoter matter. The entire, you have instruction, Your Honor. In these cases, against all the petitioner, there are FP cases pending, Your Honor. Before the foreigners tribunal, one Borpeta.
In all the cases,
All the, against all the petitioners.
what orders needs to be passed now?
If they direct them to appear before the foreigners tribunal and after whatever opinion is tendered, Your Honor, accordingly, their name will be either deleted or they will be removed. They are declared Indian.
We'll pass this order on Wednesday.
Yes, sir.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Separate orders, huh? Sri Ali, the Learned Standing Council,
Yes.
ECI,
ECI, that's one number three.
has however submitted that for the petitioner in question, a reference is pending in the Learned Foreigners Tribunal. Which one, Borpeta?
One Borpeta.
Foreigners Tribunal 1, Borpeta. Para. Parana. He accordingly submits that in view of the same, the writ petition can be closed by directing the petitioners to contest the matter before the Learned Tribunal. Para. Be that as it may, in absence of the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, no orders are passed on merits, and a further opportunity is granted. Para. List on Wednesday next.
Okay.
May please, my lord, my lord, kindly pass over for timing, my lord. My senior friend, Mr. P.K. Roy Chaudhary, is leg on court number 17, my lord.
Today it may not be possible. We don't have much time.
My lord,
Okay.
then,
Wednesday.
Okay.
On a request made on behalf of the petitioner, list on Wednesday.
Most of it.
It. None appears for the 38. Are you there? Mr. Ahmed? Yes, file affidavit in opposition.
We have already filed.
Would like to file in rejoinder?
My lord already admitted the fact, my lord.
Non-payment of?
Yes, not fact.
Yes, what have you admitted?
My lord, we have quoted the bill, my lord. Some amount has been released, my lord. Focus something has been released, and balance amount of 45 plus has not been released by the amount.
It is pending where?
Pending, my lord. Revenue and disaster management, my lord,
Huh?
before that. Is it revenue and disaster management?
What orders to be passed in the matters of this nature?
Okay.
Yes, what orders are to be passed?
My lord, here, my lord. Revenue and
If you
disaster
are admitting the
management-
liability, you
Third
cannot
party, my lord.
withhold payment. If he has done some work, he has to be
Yes,
paid.
ma'am. Work has been done, my lord, that is admitted, my lord. We have
Where is the admission?
in Parathi, my lord. Parathi of our FC.
Shamsher Ali will come in or not? But here you have already on affidavit, you have,
will come.
but we will not direct a re-verification. Since on affidavit, you have admitted
Yes.
that the PN, you just need to put him on the list and pay in a chronological order. Okay. Heard.
My lord, revenue and disaster management is not a party here, my lord, because they have to release the amount.
Deputy Commissioner is there.
And deputy commissioner is there, my lord. But can't to is to be released from the revenue and disaster management department.
My lord, under the supervision of Deputy Commissioner, my lord, work.
But will it be effective? We can pass an order tomorrow. Revenue department will come that we are not even parties.
Yes.
You should have an effective order. Mr. Ahmed, why don't you file a small application?
Yes,
Based
sir.
on the admission, we can complete this petition. Okay? Heard Sri K.U. Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, who has approved this court for, but this is under water resource, isn't it?
Yes, my lord. My lord,
Okay. কি করলো? For non-payment of contractual bills for works done. Relating to a scheme under the State Disaster Response Force. Full stop. It appears from the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 5 dash the District Commissioner Kamrup that the amount in question has been admitted and some portion has already been paid. Full stop. It however appears that the Revenue and Disaster Management Department has not been made a party respondent. Full stop. Para. For an effective order, let the said department, let the petitioner file an application for implement of the said department. Full stop. After such implement, no. So full stop. Whereafter appropriate orders would be passed for disposal of the writ
my
petition.
lord, regarding payment, regarding payment, not a single penny paid to the petitioner.
Okay, we'll consider. But don't delay in filing. It will be a very formal application.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, we'll
Okay.
pass orders in their presence.
Item 40.
Mr. Das?
But the direction, I got the instruction of the contractual dues payable by the respondent.
Yes, admission.
There is an admission.
Which department?
The water resources.
Yes, have you been given this copy? Mr. Sharma? Have a look of the copy which he has obtained. Okay, you take telephonic instructions. We'll have it on Friday. Okay. Three.
This also is related to SCRF, like the earlier one.
Subject notification comes to subject.
Okay, let you take instructions.
I'll take
Okay. Pursuant to the order dated 19/3/2024, comma, Sri J. Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has obtained instructions. Full stop. He has also presented before this court copy of the communication dated 16/8/2024, written to the petitioner by the Water Resource Division, Karimganj, with an enclosure pertaining to pending bills. Para. Let Sri C. Sharma, Learned Standing Council, Water Resource Department, take instructions on the said communication, comma, copy of which has been handed over to him. Para. List on Friday? No, not Friday, list on Monday next.
Lordship, may the to be made to.
Yes, yes, we'll have it on 16th. Is it okay? 16th.
Obliged.
43.
Mr. Sharma?
The department is filing a counter. So we have to file reply. My lord, the settlement matter can be fixed for the, it was the hearing on 24th of October.
But the access like to file in effect.
Who?
We have filed access for access like what?
Who will file affidavit?
DCS file,
ADC.
DC.
Excise has not filed. Pleadings are yet to be exchanged. No. Though the ADC,
Yeah, no, DC commissioner.
District Commissioner, which district?
Sonipur.
Sonitpur has filed the affidavit in opposition, comma. The Excise Department is yet to file the affidavit, full stop. Sri Sharma, the learned senior counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner would also like to file rejoinder affidavit. Para, let further affidavits be exchanged and the matter be listed after
On
4 weeks?
24th, my lord, October,
Listed on 24th of October.
obliged, for admission hearing file.
Obliged.
Item 44.
May I please, your lordship, matter pertaining to non-releasing of security deposit of the completed work, lordship. And response of 5 and 6 was directed to file affidavit, but
Who is
response of
5 and 6?
Lordship, I am 5 and.
Hamaji Development Board, lordship,
Hemaji Development Board.
Development, lordship, authority.
Mr. Gogoi for whom?
Lordship, I am from District Development Authority.
District Development Authority, Hamaji.
Filed affidavit.
Lordship, I am trying my level best, Lordship. Unfortunately, I could not file.
Doesn't
it.
matter, notice was issued
Lordship.
on the last occasion, we'll grant you time.
Lordship, at least 2 week time maybe.
Okay, we'll grant you 3 weeks time, don't worry.
Lord,
On the prayer of Sri T.R. Gogoi,
here,
Learned State Council, appearing for the Hemaji.
District
Development Council.
Learned State
Development
Council,
Authority,
appearing on the State Council,
Hamaji
praise,
Development Authority.
praise for, and is granted 3 weeks time
Lord,
to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number
5 and 6.
5 and 6.
Master plan.
Lordship, where date may be fixed.
Sri M. Chetia, Learned State Council, submits that so far as the respondent number 4 is concerned, namely what? The Deputy Commissioner, Dhemaji, comma, affidavit in opposition has been filed.
So date may be fixed.
What is subject matter?
Lord. Master plan.
Subject matter. What is the subject matter?
Non-releasing of security deposit.
Okay, list on. Last week, before the vacation, it'll be difficult.
No,
Mr. Datta. Today is 9th, 1, 2. List on will, on the reopening will, 23rd October,
Lordship,
Wednesday.
obliged.
Mr. Chetia, 23rd October.
Lord.
48.
My lord, in this case, Mr. S. Dr. Senior Advocate needs to appear, my lord. He being out of station, he could not come today. My lord, my only period is, can it be taken on 13th?
Have you implemented new incumbents?
Lordship, I have.
You have.
Simply question.
After implement, they only appeared.
File affidavit or not?
We have filed affidavit, my lord.
No.
We have annexed
Okay.
affidavit is
On a
there,
prayer made on behalf of the,
speaking of
made
the-
on behalf of Sri S. Datta, Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioner, list after a week?
Lordship, on 13th.
On?
He will not be available in the next week. On 13th, Lordship.
Then let it go beyond that, my lord. We have some other matters taken 13.
In that case, Lordship, after puja, because he will be out of station.
List,
on 13th,
list
ma'am.
after 4 weeks.
Well, let's
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Can a date be picked up?
Content matter 4 weeks, 16 matter, but we have to dispose this of after
Fine.
4 weeks.
Date, Lord.
All right.
49.
49, yes. None appears for the petitioner on call. Whereas, yes, Bora, what is your name? S. Boro. S. Boro, Learned Council has appeared on instruction of Miss R.B. Bora for response number for Standing Council BTC. Para. This matter is of the year 2016. Para. In the interest of justice, a further opportunity is granted. Directing listing of this matter on Wednesday next, after tomorrow. It is however made clear that in case of further non-representation, this court would pass appropriate orders.
Can it be on Friday, my lord, to place the updated?
Friday is not, Friday will be
Monday.
difficult, Monday.
On,
Old matter, what is the matter about?
matter it non-payment of contractors bill.
What is so the,
Well, on last on 1st of August, I placed the inspection. So the updated inspection is not. Some proposal has been submitted. So
okay.
what is the status? In
On
the
a
year
request
2019,
made by Sri B. Gogoi, Learned Standing Council?
PWD.
Oh, no, you're
Contempt, yes,
contempt,
for the respondent.
Learned Council for the respondent.
Fine.
List on Monday next
Contempt.
to enable him to obtain the updated instructions.
Obliged.
53 and 54. Yes, 53, 54.
Your lordship, may it please your lordship.
Other side,
Others,
afraid of you. Afraid of your team. 3 versus none.
the lordship, I'm not even a party in these proceedings. I am representing the Chief Electoral Officer, Election Commission of India. There were certain compliances, so
No, if you are not made party by name, where are you appearing?
your lordship, actually, there were certain compliances that were asked, that were sought. So I received instructions from the Office of the Chief Electoral Officer to
Okay,
apprise this
okay,
honorable
yes.
court with respect to this.
Yes,
matter.
what is your instruction?
My instructions, your lordship, it is that, so basically, your lordship would be, lordship already knows.
Okay, well,
Yes.
we'll have in their presence.
Yes, your
Who is SB Prasad? None appears for the petitioner on call. Similar petition or what?
yes, your lordship.
Uh,
The same,
Miss-
2 writ petitions and 2 contempt.
Para, pursuant to the order dated 15/7/2024 of this court, Miss P. Barwa, Learned
So we are not. a
Learned Standing Council, ECI, appearing on behalf of the Chief Electoral Officer, has appeared and has submitted that certain instructions have been received.
Yes.
Para, be that as it may, and in the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to be listed on Wednesday next
Oblige, your lordship.
to give a further opportunity to the petitioner.
Oblige, your lordship. Much obliged.
Names shown or not? Petitioner's name?
Petitioner name is Ajit AK Enterprises, Ajit Kumar Prasad.
Name of the council. Yes, SB Prasad shown. Yeah, okay.
Much obliged, your lord.
Huh? Day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. Madam, day after tomorrow, Wednesday. Day after tomorrow, Wednesday.
Yes. Much obliged.
Yes.
Lordship, this matter has already been complied.
Okay. Your name, madam?
Ms. P. Bora, appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Borwa.
Miss P. Bora, Learned Council, appearing in instruction of Sri K. Barua,
Yes, sir.
Learned Council for the petitioner submits that during the pendency of this case, the order dated 37/2022 passed by the learned so-and-so, the Chief Judicial Magistrate, first class, in so-and-so has been complied with. Para. In view of the aforesaid submission, this court is of the opinion that this proceeding is not required to be continued any further. Para. The contempt petition stands closed.
Obliged.
Yes, madam.
I'm appearing on behalf of T-Show. Kindly fix another.
Appearing. What is the matter?
Lordship, the petitioners were residents of an area with disputed whether it is forest land or revenue
Okay,
land.
Monday next. Okay. On a prayer made on behalf of the, no. Our prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Ms. T. Sum, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para. Sri K.P. Pathak, learned counsel for the respondents 1, 2, 3 is present. Para, in the interest of justice, list on Monday next. Date. So Barua, what is this?
My lord, this is contempt, my lord. Earlier notice was issued. Revenue Secretary has not filed affidavit. Respondent 4. But the name of the respondent number 4 is wrong. No contact secretary. Their affidavit is required.
Subsequent. 4, 5 and 6 newly implemented. Notices
yes.
were issued, steps taken.
Yes, ma'am. Steps taken on 22nd December.
Appeared. You are appearing for?
I am appearing for the for respondent 4, my lord. Respondent 4. But name is wrongly found, wrongly stated. Not
No,
wrong.
there is an
He-
office note of 19.8. Neither ID card nor. When did you take steps?
Yes,
5-1.
Yes.
You take first steps on 5 and 6. Okay. And we'll direct listing of this matter after 6 is before the Lozima court. Because if there is a lapse of time, we cannot pass an order of presumption. It will not be proper. Those steps were taken on 5/1/2024, office note dated 19/8/2024. Reflects that neither ID card nor unserved notices have been received back. Full stop para. Let fresh steps be taken for service of notice upon the respondent numbers 5 and 6 by registered post with AD. Full stop steps within 2 days. List before the learned Lozima court after 6 weeks, wherein the aspect of service of notice, including examination of postal track, would be looked into. Full stop. Thereafter, list this matter.
Always. Always.
Under June 22, my lord, the judgment was passed by the court that please check up the file and find out whether any contract regarding royalty. And if there is no royalty, my lord, contract, you will have to return the money which has been deducted.
This is the.
Now, last occasion, they have given they sought a time for 28 days. Now they are saying that we are giving a letter to somebody.
Not to somebody, the petitioner.
The petitioner, my lord, this is not fair, my lord. This
No, the
order was passed
will
by-
verify. So during the process of verification, they have sought for some documents, madam, regarding
but
procuring.
all the documents which are there, it is given already. And after 2 years, they are asking for documents. And last occasion, they sought time for only 28 days. Now they are saying we have written letter to the. Now what will happen to the judgment? Judgment passed on my lord 36/22. It says do it expedition. Expedition means 1 month. Now let these officers come and my lord explain to your lordship.
No, first of all, the petitioner should respond to the letter, my lord. That he will.
Letter given after 2 years, my lord.
Where is the
Letter
file?
given after 2 years, my lord, what will happen to the order passed by this court? Your lordship will kindly see it here. Judgment is dated 36/22 and the operative part is at page 51. Letter is all right, my lord, they should have given 2 years back.
This letter is of 3rd September 2024. Why the delay?
No, not that letter, but the communication given to the petitioner.
Yes,
This is the last
3rd July. Third,
Last page.
last
There are
page.
three notices. Communications made to the petitioner.
Official should come and explain their conduct.
But this is also August, 16th August.
Only thing, my lord, if there is any document pertaining to the, my lord, later that we have furnished, at least they may furnish it property or they may reply to that this is on next. During the
2
process,
years,
that
my lord.
is paid back.
Some, my lord, it is between your lordship and the, my lord, the contempt and contemner, my lord, court and the contemner. But I find it, my lord, very strange that they are writing letter after 2 years for the purpose of completing the direction filed by this court.
A reasonable opportunity to produce proof of payment of royalty to be granted to them. You have paid the royalty.
Yeah, royalty amount, my lord, they have deducted from the payment, my lord, payable to the petition. They have deducted the royalty amount which we are not entitled to get or not liable to pay. And we have given the copy of the contract here only in the contempt petition. Similarly situated persons, they have paid. They have retained the amount.
So Google, what is to be done? Matters of this nature.
And last occasion, your lordship will kindly see, lordship has noted on 25/7/24, 28 days time is required.
25/7.
25/7/24. I think my lord, according to me, this is a willful violation, and what else will be the willful violation?
Heard Sri B.D. Das, Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioner, assisted by Ms. So-and-so, Decca. Also heard Sri B. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the respond number.
My lord, here I am going for the civil engineer, response number 2.
Respond number 2. Para. When the matter had come up for consideration on the last date, that is 25/7/2024, on the request made on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner, a period of 28 days was given to complete the verification exercise relating to the documents. No, to complete a verification of the related documents to furnish a reply. Full stop. Sri Gogoi, the learned counsel, as per written instructions dated 3/9/2024, has submitted that separate communications were issued on 16/8/2024 to the petitioners. No, separate no. It's separate order. 16/8/22 the petitioner, directing submission of relevant documents pertaining to the aspect of landowner, license/permission for sale of earth and produce proof of payment of royalty. Full stop. Para. Sri Das Dilana Senior Counsel has submitted.
Just point out one page 51 is what.
No, Sri Das Dilana Senior Counsel for the
This
petitioner
is completely without any application. of-
has submitted that apart from such letter not being relevant to the context, it is failed to be understood. He has questioned the inordinate delay.
Not only delay, this letter itself is also without any application.
We have
of
said
mine.
it is irrelevant. He has
Inordinate
also
delay.
questioned the inordinate delay in even making such a request.
Yes.
Full stop. Para. the manner in which the order of this court has been dealt with raises serious questions on the intention and bona fide on the part of the respondents. Para, as a final opportunity, comma, time is granted for compliance. What was the order?
Order is at page 51. In a contract, my lord, that clause has to be there. Page
51.
51.
Yes.
And so they will have to study the contract, whether any clause is there or not regarding payment of royalty. I have enclosed the copy of the contract, my lord, doesn't have. With somebody, some have, some doesn't have. With me, that clause is not there. The contract is available in the, my lord, copy of this order itself.
Now, first, does the contract allow you to
Yes,
levy forest royalty?
contract agreement is on page.
Direction is that they will verify.
No,
Of the
no,
kind of
direction is not like this. Please read the direction. Employer shall verify the contract, and if it is found
Yes.
that forest royalty is recoverable, then you give an opportunity. First, you have to come to a conclusion that forest royalty is recoverable. Then you give an opportunity that if it is recovered, since it is recoverable, produce the documents. You have
I've
not
given
even
the
come
copy
to a
of the
fi-
agreement.
you have not even come to a finding that it is recoverable or not.
I will convey.
It's very clear.
Yes, yes.
See, if you come to a finding that it is not recoverable, the question of giving them further opportunity will not even come. Fire of the order in question, fixing the next date on 9th. On 30th of September.
For compliance order.
Yes. This court has also noted that the initial onus is upon the employer to verify the contract and come to a conclusion whether forest royalty is recoverable, and only in the case where such forest royalty is held to be recoverable, comma, a reasonable opportunity is to be granted.
Yes, enclose the copy of the contract also.
It, however, from the instructions placed on record, comma, it does not appear that an exercise has been done for compliance of the first part of the order. Okay. We have fixed the date,
Yes.
next date.
All compliance.
Yes.
Compliance.
62.
The petition is against the award passed by the Labor Court.
62.
62. Okay, I'm hearing. Service is complete. As per the
62
your record has come.
62 লোৱা নাছিলে টাইম লোৱা নাছিলে 61 লৈছিলে নেকি Okay, what is 62? Yes,
Affidavit,
labor
file.
code,
our affidavit, my lord, 4 weeks I may be back.
new matter. Okay,
New matter.
here for
I am for 2 and 3, my lord.
Sri J. Roy, Learned Senior Counsel, has entered appearance for respondables 2 and 3.
2 and
Whereas, full stop. He praised and is accordingly granted 4 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Para, Sri, you will also file affidavit. It's an award or what?
Award, that is formal party.
Sri Bokolil, huh? Learned State Council is present. Our records have come.
Record has come. Record. Much.
Then you go. Right?